Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com, and today I'm in New York City. I'm at the Empire Hotel. I wanted to give you a peek at this because if you have plans to come to New York City, it's always fun to learn of different places to stay, what they have to offer, and get different views around the city. So if you're considering this hotel, I wanted to give you a little peek. It's a really small room, but they've done a lot with the space. Nice little shower area with a shower wand. Got your products, and it's your mirror. And then over here, there's a little closet space here. You've got your umbrella, your ironing board, iron safe, and a mini fridge in the room. And I really like the decor of this hotel. It's really cool. And then, of course, your desk area, television set, and most importantly, the view. And I always try to get the best view possible when I'm in the city because one of my favorite things to do is just sit and people watch. There's always stuff going on here, and this is a great location. So many things close by that you can walk to. And anyway, great location, really nice hotel, very friendly staff. This is the Empire Hotel in New York City, and this is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.